This video will provide you with a brief overview of the features of Direct Healthcare Group's Mercury Advance SMARTcare mattress, as well as some simple instructions for setup and use, and an overview of the audible and visual warning system on the pump unit. The SMARTcare mattress is an innovative solution in the prevention and management of pressure ulcers. It offers effective dual therapy in a single surface by combining advanced clinically proven technologies previously only available in a separate hybrid surfaces. When used in its non-powered static mode, advanced air displacement technology continuously optimizes pressure redistribution in response to patient body weight and movement. Alternatively, the SMARTcare mattress can also be used in its powered mode through the simple addition of a pump. This delivers pressure relief through a series of connected, alternating foam and air cells. The unique construction of the foam and air cells ensures delivery of effective pressure relieving therapy. The SMARTcare mattress also features a unique air-only heel zone that effectively offloads pressures on the vulnerable heel area. Firstly, the mattress has a waterproof multi-stretch vapor-permeable polyurethane cover with a non-slip base. To prevent fluid ingress, all seams are fully welded and a 2.5 cm waterfall flap covers a zip along the three sides of the mattress. Important instructions such as the product name, safe working load, acceptable laundering instructions and non-acceptable practices can be found printed onto the mattress cover itself. To access the mattress, the zip is located at the bottom left-hand side when looking at the mattress from the footing of the bed. The zip runs around the three sides of the mattress and can be opened to enable access to the inside of the mattress. Inside the mattress you will find a series of air-only cells, a series of foam and air cells, a static foam head section and the blue foam U-core. You will notice that the inside of the mattress cover is lightly coloured. This is to enable easy identification of a breach of integrity to the cover that may allow fluid ingress and therefore ensures compliance to strict infection control policies. We have a total of 15 cells inside the mattress, 5 air-only heel cells, 10 foam and air cells. At the head end we have a section of castellated foam only and therefore no alternating pressure underneath the head section. This feature stops the patient from feeling nauseous as a result of motion sickness. Moving down, we have 10 foam and air cells from the shoulders to approximately the mid-calf section. Within these cells we have smaller castellations for the shoulder blades and calves and larger castellations for the torso and sacral areas. 5 air-only heel zone cells can be found from approximately the mid-calf to the end of the heels. These cells provide two functions. 1. In the non-powered mode, the cells are designed in such a way to lift the heels from the cells as much as possible. The first air-only heel cell is larger than the other 4. Therefore, when the cells inflate following body movements, this larger cell acts on the back of the calf to lift the heels slightly off the other cells, thus reducing pressure on the heels. Number 2. In the powered mode, the air-only cells provide offloading of the heels through alternation. We also have a blue U-core section of the mattress which provides firm perimeter either side of the mattress. This aids patient transfer for egress from the mattress or when performing a side or lateral transfer. When used in the non-powered static mode, the mattress utilizes air displacement technology to redistribute pressure. Due to a unique tubing system, all pressures above 6 mm of mercury is expelled from the mattress, providing a layer of air that responds and redistributes between cells in response to patient body movement. It also has this redistribution of air that inflates the heel cells in the static mode. During shipment, the heel cells may become deflated. To inflate these prior to clinical use, simply manipulate the main body cells in order to provide air to the heel zone cells or briefly inflate the mattress with the pump. To zip the mattress back up, simply locate the zip alongside the side of the mattress and return it to the closed position in the lower left-hand corner of the mattress. The hybrid mattress features an umbilical cord that can be connected to the Mercury Advance SMARTcare pump in order to provide alternating pressure to the mattress. The umbilical cord has a unique patterned connector at the end, which, when disconnected from the mattress, retains a low level of air within the mattress that continually displace and redistribute pressure. But it is important that when the mattress is being used in its non-powered mode, it is disconnected from the pump. It should be noticed that the Mercury Advance SMARTcare pump is compatible with both the Mercury Advance SMARTcare and the Dynafoam Mercury Advance mattress. When the pump is not in use, safely store the umbilical in such a way that it does not cause a hazard, i.e., please connect the umbilical cord to the popper at the foot end of the mattress. To provide powered alternating therapy to the mattress, the pump must be connected via the umbilical and powered on. The pump can be attached and powered on when a patient is lying on the mattress. The pump is small, quiet and easy to use and clean. Located on the left-hand side of the pump, when looking at it from the front, you will find a mains lead, cable input, an on-off switch and the umbilical connection point. The pump can be hung from the foot end of the bed frame using the white hooks that swivel out. Ensure that the pump is safely secure and does not pose a hazard. The mains lead can then be plugged into the main socket, ensuring that any trailing cables are appropriately managed for safety. Next, we take the umbilical and attach the connector to the pump with the quick release function facing you. When we connect the connector to the pump, we ensure that we press firmly until we hear the click. To disconnect the pump, we reverse the step, pressing the connector tab in and pulling away from the pump. As previously stated, it is important that this step is taken when the mattress is used in its non-powered mode. If the connector is still connected to the pump while the power is turned off, this will eventually, over a period of time, deflate the heel cells. Therefore, it is important to disconnect the quick release connector when the pump is turned off. To turn the pump on, simply press the on-off switch located on the side. The pump will bleep, the top panel will light and high-low will flash to indicate that the pump is initializing to the user on the mattress. Once the mattress has initialized, the high-low lights will stop flashing and the pump will automatically default to the low setting. Looking in detail at the pump, you will see that the top panel has a high-low function, mute function, visual warning indicator and service indicator. On the rear of the pump is a filter which can be replaced if required, and details regarding the pump unit such as a serial number. When the pump is attached to the mattress and switched on, the cells will alternate in a 1 in 2 pattern over a 10-minute cycle. The cycle pattern involves 2 minutes of the alternate cell achieving the same pressure as the inflated cell, 2 minutes with the cell deflating and 6 minutes with an inflated and deflated cell. This cycle pattern prevents the user being moved forward to the footing of the bed due to a wave motion. To change the pump to the high setting, press the high-low plus or minus button. The high setting light will illuminate. To return to the low setting, press the high-low plus minus button. In the low setting, the cells are at 18 millimeters of mercury. In the high setting, the cells are at 26 millimeters of mercury. Whether the patient should be on the high or low setting should be determined by the clinician. When the mattress is being used in the powered mode and CPR is to be given, the CPR release tag located on the umbilical tube set should be pulled. This will allow the mattress to rapidly deflate, providing the medical emergency team with a firm, stable surface below the patient. Once the emergency is over, the tag should be replaced to ensure that the mattress can be used in its powered mode. Should the pump experience a fault, the user will be indicated via an audible visual warning system. Audibly, the pump will make a continuous beeping sound. Visually, the ABC lights will illuminate regularly or in combination. Should you wish to mute the audible warning, press the mute button. The warning will be muted for 30 minutes, after which time the warning will restart, unless the fault has been rectified. To determine the issue with the pump and thus diagnose and troubleshoot the audible warning system, refer to the user manual or quick reference guide. However, the most common faults are mains failure, low pressure, air pipe kinked, alternating mode failure. If a main failure should occur, the pump will give out an audible warning and the letter C will illuminate on the pump. The most common causes of mains failure are the mains lead being removed from the pump or the pump being switched off at the mains plug. Both of these should be checked to enable the issue to be rectified. If a low pressure fault should occur, there will be an audible warning and the letter B will illuminate. The most common cause for a low pressure alarm is an escape of air at the CPR tag. Please check the CPR tag is firmly in place, sealing the two holes and therefore preventing air from escaping. If this doesn't rectify the fault, it could be the main connector to the pump. Please make sure this is connected to the pump properly. If the umbilical, the pump will give out an audible warning and the letters B and C will illuminate. To rectify, please check the whole length of the umbilical air pipe to locate and remove any kinks in the pipe. Finally, if a failure of the mattress to alternate is detected, the pump will give out an audible warning and the letters A and B will illuminate. In this case, the pump should be turned off and the CPR open to allow some air to escape. The CPR tag is firmly to ensure that no air can escape. The pump should be turned back on to resume alternation. In the event that none of the previous troubleshooting rectifies the issue, you should contact Direct Healthcare Group if you purchase directly, or whichever local company you have purchased the mattress from. All user manuals, quick reference guides or further information can be found on our website www.directhealthcaregroup.com.